I'm very full anyway. Say nasikia tu kulala. Hey guys, it's Wairimo here from wairimueats, and yes, I'm back with another interesting video. I miss saying that, oh my god. But anyway, today I'm going to be tackling two agendas in one video. First, a girl is going to be explaining where she has been for the last 1 year. I literally have only 4 videos on my channel, I know. But anyway, at the same time, I'm going to be showing you my go-to dinner recipe and a 500 bob. So please watch this video till the end, because there's tea and juice at the same time. It's very educational. You're going to come out with a recipe, because you know I'm the baddest, I'm the bougie, you know what I mean. But anyway, please let's go into the video. So guys, today we are going to be making some sukuma wiki and beef stew. Very nice, very delicious. But first, we need to know the ingredients that we need for this recipe. And I'm going to start with the star of the show. You know, obviously it's the beef, and I have 500 grams of beef here with me that I've just cut into cubes. And then I also have some kales here with me, the second superstar. And then we're going to need some onion slices that I've cut into semicircles. Semicircle, half a circle, you get me. And some tomatoes that I've just blended mine. I have used 3 ripe tomatoes, so make sure your tomatoes are very ripe. The next thing that I'm going to need are some Royco cubes, just like 3 cloves of garlic, some chili, grated garlic and ginger that I've minced together, and also 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Imagine guys, those are the only ingredients that we need for this specific recipe. And I have, for the spices, some thyme. I have never known how to say that word. Please let me know how it spells. And also have some salt and black pepper for seasoning. I know my black pepper is almost over. I need to grind some fresh ones. But anyway, story for another day. Let's begin with the recipe, and let's begin the cooking process. So guys, I am back and I'm done preparing the dish. You've seen how easy it is, but anyway, as I enjoy my food, I'm not going to use this. I'm a typical Kenyan. I'm going to use my hands that I've washed. I'm going to be explaining where I have been for the past 1 year. First and foremost, let me get my notes. I have my notes here because a girl can talk. A girl can really talk. Anyway, nothing serious. I wanted to explain where I have been. I have mostly been doing school actually, nothing serious. It's just that I've been doing it full time. Like it wasn't easy for me to double what? To multitask. So yes. Okay, I'm salivating. Actually very nice, very flavorful. But anyway, so I've been doing school most of the time, and then there's a part that I intentionally stopped doing YouTube because I wasn't able to multitask. And then I saw, yes, I can do some videos here and there, but I didn't want an inconsistent me on my channel. Like I post this week, then I'm not there for another 2 weeks. I didn't want that, so I was like, let me first deal with my shit, and then when I'm done, I'll just come back like permanently. So that's what I'm doing. That's why I'm back. There's so much content. There's so much you have to do. Like culinary school. Now I'm a chef. I'm learning to become a professional chef. So there's so much more that you're going to do apart from ugali nyama. Obviously, I just wanted to start with an easy one, a go-to one, before we start doing all the culinary chef kiss stuff and all the tips and all the tea. Like I literally went to culinary school for my career, so you guys know how serious I am with this stuff. But anyway, I hope you guys have been enjoying so far. Thank you so much for you guys. Who needs a knife? You can eat ugali with nails. I know you're trying to ask. 11:33 p.m. I'm eating at midnight. I'm crazy. But anyway, there's so much more that is coming for this channel. So thank you so much for everyone who's been with me. Like, well, I'm so grateful. Like, since I stopped posting, my subscribers have literally doubled plus. Because the last time I posted, like, my inconsistent face was like at 5K. And now we are 13 point something, literally. You guys, thank you so much. That's like 8K more people that have joined the family. Yes, I'm back with very consistently this time. I'm back, and I hope you guys are going to be here with me for this new journey, because now it's a new career. Like now you're starting the career part of it, then you're doing it for like as a passion, but now I want to make it a full-time career. That's why I invested in it and went to school and all that stuff. So yes, there's so much more to come. If you ain't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I don't get it. It's free and it's the easiest way to support me actually. And also you can also like the video. Actually, I've not told you to like the video yet. Please go and like. It's just give it a like. It helps the algorithm, as they say. I'm back. I'd literally gone for a cold mango juice. I've just remembered there's mango juice in the fridge. amazing. But yes, na slap kushinda manzi yako. But anyway, I think that's it. There is nothing much. I know I can sit down and explain and talk, and I have so many excuses to say why I've not been consistent. I always have excuses, but it's just that I was just not. There's just a lot of things that I've dealt with. I think I can do a whole separate video about that. And yeah, a lot of things. Like, life has just done its thing for the last 1 year. Roller coaster, happiness, sadness, depression, anxiety, self-doubt. Like, it was just a roller coaster of a lot of things. But I think I'm okay now, and actually find happiness in YouTube. And when I'm concentrating on my career, I rarely feel all those shit. So I'm here to stay. Na slap. I've not eaten lunch because I was shooting this video. It takes so long to actually shoot content. You guys never see behind the scenes. Like, literally it's 11:41 and I have to finish this video. Even though how lazy I get, I have to finish it so that tomorrow I don't have to do the same makeup again to continue with the video, you see. So YouTube is not easy, actually. It's not. It takes time, a lot of patience and all that. Yeah, so please subscribe. It's the easiest way to help me and motivate me. So, and just free. So yeah, subscribe. I need to do my hair. It's bad. It's very bad anyway. I should do a mukbang, but a serious one, not this one that I'm just eating. That's a good idea, by the way. Mukbang. Seafood. I've always wanted to do a seafood mukbang. It just looks nice with eating all the octopus. Yeah, she'll try that one very soon. Give me a suggestion of what you should do in the comment section. A mukbang of what? What should we talk about in the mukbang? I might give you the tea. You can't malize. Cheers. Actually nimejaza ice hapo. Hakuna juice. Don't know if you can see the ice cubes. Literally. I'm almost done, actually. Guys, I'm proof that you can eat and not gain any weight. Because, I was sitting here, like, I'll just sit and eat like a few pieces, then I'll just stop when I get full. But now look at me. I got too comfortable. If you always wonder where the food goes after cooking, the answer. Etiquette. I'm full. Hey, I'm very full anyway. Say nasikia tu kulala. Effects the ugali. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you so much for the support, for the subscriptions, for the continuous, endless support that you guys have given me. I don't take that shit for granted. And yeah, I'm back. That's it. I just did this video to say I'm back. I have like 2 more videos that I had shot before that I had not posted. I'm going to finish them by this weekend, like by Sunday. Then next week is a fresh start. Yeah, I think that's it. I love you guys so much. Okay, I literally got very comfortable. I'm done. I've cleared this big plate. I didn't think I could do it, but anyway, I have done it. Yeah, guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, see you in the next one. By the hata nilikuwa namalizianga hizi video. That's it for this video, guys. But anyway, I'll see you in the next one. I can still remember. Anyway, bye.